Okay, welcome to your test, your final science test for this year. You must be excited about that. This is going to be an open book test. So just like with any other test that I give you during the HCS at home, it's always going to be open book. You are welcome to look through your notes. You're welcome to even look online if you need to, but you need to have it where just like before, oh, not circles, sorry, you're going to be highlighting, or you can change the font or something like that. Change the font for the correct answer. So you choose how you want to do it. You can simply have it where you can make it bold. You could have it where you change the font color. You can even highlight. There's so many options of what you could do to show me your answer. But just make sure it's very clear what your answer is. I'm going to also just point out here, because this was a question or the type of question that people had struggles with last time. This part right here, these are telling you the different possibilities. This down here, now that is what you need to show for your answer. So you have to choose one of these, A, B, C, or D. So you are not choosing anything with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of like your word bank in a sense, where you have all these different possible answers and you need to see which ones are correct. So you have to choose either A, B, C, or D. The majority of the test is going to be multiple choice. You have 2 sections afterwards. So this section, this is what I was telling you from last lesson, is that you need to have it where looking here, you're looking at the chemical formula for a substance, and you now need to tell me what kind of atoms are in there. So there are going to be some examples along the way. As you can tell here, we have it where we have carbon dioxide. It says 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. So that means you're going to have it where you're going to fill it in. Now, one thing is that you're going to get a chance to work with the subscripts. Now, how you're going to get a subscript, please pay close attention. You're going to write the number. So we have CO2. But now you take that 2, highlight it. See what I've done there? Go to Format. Then you're going to go to Text and Subscript. And look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? So that is what you need to do for your test. If you need to write a subscript, which you are going to have to write it quite a few times. With that being the case, like I said, I'll just show you again. So you've got your CO, and then you put your 2. You take that 2, highlight it, have it where you go to Format, and then you're going to go to Text, Subscript, done. All right. And if you get stuck when it comes to the questions regarding the gases, take a look at the examples you've already been given. Take a look at those, see what it looks like. Look at if it's like a diatomic molecule or not, if they're having it where they have any subscripts, and see if you can make that connection for when you have to do these ones, like the oxygen and the chlorine gas. So technically giving you that answer, but I want you to make sure that you are doing the subscripts, please and thank you. All you have to do, put the number down, highlight it, Format, Text, Subscript. Okay, last part here. You're going to have it where with the periodic table of the elements. I will include just a link to a periodic table, but you are welcome to search up other ones. If you find that the one that I'm giving you doesn't work well for you, feel free to look up other ones. There's going to be so many different periodic tables you can find on Google. Anyways, you're going to look at that periodic table and you are going to answer these questions. You can always feel free to look back at your notes from the periodic table of the elements. You can also look at the Google Doc, or not the Google Doc, the Google slideshow, and take a look back at that one. That one would be from, I believe it would be Monday, May 25th, I believe. Yes, so with this one here, we had the periodic table slideshow. So you can have it where you click on that one. This one also has the picture. Look there and have it where you use that to be able to answer these questions here. All right. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then just make sure that you share a copy with me. What I am going to ask that you do, just like last time, just because my mom helps with marking all of the, what is it called, with all of the multiple choice. So what I want you to do, you're going to do it to, send it to me. So it's C Peach. Please make sure it's C Peach, not Crystal.Peach. You're also going to do it for Cindy.Peach. And then you'll be able to send it to both of us. We can get it marked and get it back to you as soon as possible. Okay. I hope you, what did I just do? Okay, I'm going to just stop recording. I hope it goes well. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, it is open book.